Hi dear children, I am teacher Geeta. This is a grade 10 chemistry topic, alkanes. Alkanes and alkenes. I am going to give an explanation about this one. The last video I explained about the homologous series and the characteristics, general formula, all. I think you remember that one. Okay? Now, what are the properties of alkanes? Alkanes are hydrocarbons. Perform homologous series with the general formula CnH2n plus 2. And all their carbon atoms form 4 single bonds. From the here down you can see that one, all the carbon atoms form single bond with hydrogen. And alkenes are saturated. They are saturated hydrocarbons and generally unreactive, but it can undergo combustion and substitution reaction. And the simplest alkane is methane, CH4. Methane, 1 carbon atom, ethane 2 carbon atom, propane 3 carbon atom, and butane 4 carbon atom. Methane is the simplest alkane. Now combustion reaction. Here it is, the methane or alkane react with oxygen forming carbon dioxide and water. Substitution, here it is combustion reaction. Here it is, the reactants are alkane and oxygen. Alkane, the methane react with oxygen forming carbon dioxide and water. And if it is enough amount of, that is sufficient amount of oxygen undergoing a complete combustion. If it is insufficient amount of oxygen, it undergo incomplete combustion and forming. Here, complete combustion, the products are carbon dioxide and water. Incomplete combustion, the products are carbon monoxide and water. Now the substitution reaction with the chlorine. The substitution reaction means a reaction in which one atom substitute for or replace for another atom. Here it is, chlorine is replaced by hydrogen. The CH4 plus Cl2 chlorine. One chlorine is substituted on this, forming CH3Cl, chloromethane. The next step, chloromethane again react with the chlorine. Again one hydrogen substituted with the chlorine and dichloromethane. Here it is next step, trichloromethane and tetrachloromethane. This is called a chlorination of alkanes. In the chlorination of methane, a chlorine atom replaced by a hydrogen atom. This is the substitution reaction. And now we are discussing about alkenes. What are the properties of alkenes? Alkenes are hydrocarbons, form homologous series with the general formula CnH2n. One of their carbon atom form a double bond. It is unsaturated. Generally reactive. The simple alkene is, the simplest alkene is ethene, C2H4. Here it is showing that C2H4 ethene, C3H6 propane and C4H8 butane. Now the manufacture of alkenes. Alkenes are obtained from alkanes through cracking. From alkane producing alkene. The catalytic cracking in the lab. This image showing the formation of alkenes in the cracking of alkenes. The alkenes are obtained from alkene through cracking. The cracking is a thermal decomposition in which an alkane and sometimes the hydrogen are produced by heating alkanes with a catalyst. It always produces shorter chained molecule with a double bond. So here it is, higher hydrocarbons on cracking forming lower hydrocarbon. The cracking always leads to low boiling alkenes as byproducts. Here the products obtained from cracking depend on the structure of alkene, pressure and catalyst. Now the addition reaction of alkenes. Here it is, it's undergo addition reaction with the bromine, forming dibromoethene is formed. Dibromoethene. Look now, dibromoethane is formed. Here it is, ethane react with the bromine forming dibromoethane. Next one is react with the hydrogen. Nickel as the catalyst on 150 degrees Celsius. Ethene react with the hydrogen to form ethane. And here it is ethene react with the water forming ethanol. So here it is alkane on react with the hydrogen forming alkane, and react with the water it's forming alcohol and ethanol. Okay, these are the addition reactions of alkanes. Now already we said that one alkanes are saturated and alkenes are unsaturated. What is the difference between saturated and unsaturated? Saturated hydrocarbons having single bond between carbon atoms. Unsaturated hydrocarbons having one or more multiple bonds or double bond is there, and give a clean flame on burning. This give yellow flame with a lot of black smoke on burning. The reaction with aqueous bromine do not decolorize the aqueous bromine, but here it is reaction with aqueous bromine decolorize aqueous bromine. These are the difference between saturated and unsaturated hydrocarbons. Okay, my children, I think we already discussed in the class. I think all of you again you hear this video and you can understand clearly.